So welcome. So what I'd like to offer today is an opportunity to do a meditation on discovering your prejudice part. Yeah? So you could call it your racially biased part, or racist part, although I've found, having worked with people, that this is profound practice, and often the part is a little reticent to come forward unless it's given the invitation. So let's use prejudice part to call it forth. Yeah? So what we're looking for is a part of us that probably isn't in our conscious mind. It's probably a little exiled, or a shadow part, or a part of us that's unconscious. But it's important in our coming forth and waking up and growing up, healing up and woking up and showing up, that we begin to look at what we've internalized. And so let's try this short little practice. Many have found it very helpful, and maybe you will too. So very simply, just start, eyes open or closed, and just feel what's here now. Just begin to feel in or around your body, and see if you find a part of you that's resistant to doing this exercise. And this may be the part itself, and it's a protector of that part. Yeah, so just start to feel into an openness to doing this part. Maybe there's a part of you that's open and interested and willing because you're doing it. And then maybe there's a part that is resistant or has some fear, worry, or protective resistance. Just notice that part, where that is. And then curiously, who's aware of those two parts? See whether you can open to discover this more spacious, pervasive sense of self that's greater than these two parts and is not either of these two parts. And then from here, just thank these parts for being here, and just notice, how do you feel toward these two parts? Part that's open and the part that might be resistant or fearful. And then just see whether you can find, either as this resistant part, or perhaps a part that's being protected, a part that may have some prejudice. And this scenario can help sometimes if you were sitting, imagining yourself as interviewing candidates for a job, for a company, or a place you were working, and one candidate came in and was the same gender and age and race and similar dress as you. Just notice that feeling. And then that candidate leaves, and now the next candidate walks in the door, and this person is a different race, gender, or different age, dress. But particularly just notice that what part is open, but then what part maybe that has some kind of initial bias, prejudice, judgment, and just begin to feel into that part. Where is that part in your body? Just find it. Maybe in your throat, your head, chest, or belly. Some contracted area, some spine. Just find that area. Noticing you have other parts that are accepting and open, but just find this little part within you. See what age it is. See what belief it has. See what feeling tone it has, what shape and location it has. Whether it's visual or just a felt sense, or it has words or a certain, just let it be however it is for you. Just noticing this part that you can now be aware from this loving presence that you are toward this part that has this initial unconscious response that becomes conscious and then maybe goes unconscious. So bring it into the light and just curiously inquiring what it has to show you about how it got this view. Yeah, so just curiously from you, just allow this part to be how it is and show you how it got this information or view, or what was said to it, or how it was culturally conditioned, family conditioned, media conditioned, friends from friends or relatives or images. Just let them rise up from this and to this part of you that's younger and became conditioned with this view and this belief and this feeling. Just notice what that feeling is and that belief and how it makes this part feel and how it makes this part contract into that position, whatever that may be. And just let yourself feel yourself from this compassionate part, just allowing this part to be, not judging it, but letting it show itself, be in the light. Just feel love and understanding at this younger, earlier part that believed what it was told or took on this view. Just let it know you're here and that you're able to also listen and dialogue and share information back and forth. And just notice the quality of emotion it has that's holding, whether it's some kind of fear, just feel that, or confusion, or judgment, or trying to be part of the group that has these other opinions, wanting to be included, or being right, or control, or whichever it is. Just feel that emotion from your greater, spacious and pervasive, loving, curious self. And just let this part of you that is holding this view and this burden, let itself talk to you and ask whether it knows you're here and can kind of feel your support. And it may be enough just to get to know this part now, and then you can do some further work, just bringing it into the light and starting with this knowing and listening and curiosity. And coming back either by yourself or with somebody who's a peer or a coach or a therapist to work with this part. Or perhaps you can just see whether this part, from this loving connection to you, wants to let go of this burden, whether it's connected enough to the big picture and to the sense of all of who you are, or whether it needs some time to learn more, be educated, and be open. And so just staying with it, and whatever your timing and pace is. If it wants to let go of the burden now, then just let it find what it's holding and what it's heard from others that it took in, and see whether it wants to lay that down and be new and open and curious. And so let it find a way to give that burden down, lay that burden down, and then be open to see all beings through these fresh eyes of the heart, through the support of this loving awareness. Being open to being educated and learning, and to act to have this wider sense of community and family of all beings that this sense of self naturally has. So just letting this part know you're with it, and you'll be with it through any process that it goes through. Thank this part for its hard work, its willingness to be open. Thank any of these protectors that have kept it hidden away, and let them know that you're here now for them and for this part and for all other parts. So just, if your eyes are closed, you just can feel the sense of being and embodiment, a sense of openness and interconnectedness. Just taking a little deeper breath, opening your eyes and feeling both connected to all these parts, knowing and feeling all parts are welcome, and feeling a sense of openness and new beginnings. So enjoy.